Hello there. Welcome to the most boring, dreary and mind-numbing video ever conceived by mankind. Specifically, I'll explain what the error codes mean on a Ford 6000 CD stereo, which, although useful information, is incredibly dull. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Okay, the Ford 6000 CD stereo comes in a wide range of forms for a wide range of vehicles, so there are two sets of error codes. Set A relates to stereos with the volume button on the left, such as this one, and Set B relates to stereos with the volume button in the centre. Let's start with Set A. If you see E11 on the screen, that's an internal fault. Ford suggests you take the car to them. Personally, I go on eBay, buy a second-hand identical replacement and fit that. Alternatively, you may see E12 on the screen when you try and play a CD. In this scenario, take the CD out, clean it and try again. As for E13, bizarrely, it doesn't exist. How strange. However, E14 does exist, and you'll see that if the ambient temperature is too hot for the stereo to operate, so let it cool down. E15 is another internal fault, buy a new one. And E16 means the CD won't eject, which is annoying. Let's now move on to error code set B for stereos that have the volume button in the middle. CD error means internal fault, I'd buy a new one. Non-audio CD means it's the wrong type of disc. CD hot means the stereo is too hot, so let it cool down. And bad CD means the disc is dirty, so give it a clean. Well, that was a particularly boring part of the video. I fell asleep and I'm the one making it. Anyway, there are just a few more codes to consider, but you'll only see these if your car has a CD changer. I'll pop them on the screen now. And still no E13. How strange. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to Car Spy TV. Do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.